B to the U to the N to the N to the Y. It's S to the Q to the U to the A to the D. What's good, Bunny Squad? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Lauren, and today I'm going to be doing a slime smoothie with all my slimes. I've done this before, but it didn't work at all. It didn't work. That's all it did. It just didn't work. Like, it worked, but then I lost it. So then technically it didn't work, but I'm just gonna make it again. Maybe I might decide to put one hole in my slime, one of my slimes, all of it, just so that I have a container to put it in. Like, I have a whole bunch of mini containers, but maybe. We'll see. You may not see my whole face. You might just be seeing like a lot of this part late. So, yeah, but I have to change my camera holder. Okay. Alright, you'll be seeing a lot of that instead of my face, which hopefully to you it's perfectly okay. But for me, it's perfectly okay. Just because, like, dang, you gotta do what you gotta do to film a video. Hold on, I need to fix the background a lot. A lot's going on. This is hectic, but it's okay. I'm doing this all in the matter of this slime video. If it weren't for this slime video, I wouldn't be doing this. Hold on, I gotta take out these brand new, perfect batteries. Throw this piece of trash away. This is supposed to be a nail blower, so it blows on your nails to dry, but it doesn't even work. I put fresh batteries, brand new batteries, straight out the pack batteries, still don't work. So it's a waste of. That was $7 from the Dollar Tree. How'd I work? Exactly. Anyway, these are the batteries I just took out. Gotta take them away because slime is practically liquid, so. Yeah. Anyways, I'll just put it on my stuff back over in my bin because it was cool. Okay. So one of the things I will be mixing, because this is like putty, but it's still slime. So, yeah. I'm going to be mixing that. A lot of this stuff just needs to move over, so I got space to do my slime smoothie. Alright, let's get started. So, in my mind, what I'm thinking is we could either do rainbow. I'm not sure if I should just do rainbow or just grab what I grab. I think I'm just going to grab what I grab, so it's not going to be in a rainbow. So, I'm sorry if you wanted a rainbow. We're just going to do grab what I grab. Because if it's a rainbow, I'm going to have to sort it from a rainbow, and then we can start, and I'm not going to do that. Okay? Okay. Let's start. First slime that I grabbed was this clear slime. So I was just playing with this. It's such a good slime. Took me a long time to decide this, but my slimes are getting bigger and bigger by the moment just because I keep playing with them and I do the slime flip. So when I do the slime flip, this is the slime flip. So it gets fluffier and fluffier. So, yeah. Now I'm just gonna lay it out right here. There. I'm gonna move it back because last time I did it, it was hectic. So moved it back. Dang it! Oh my gosh. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. Anyway. Next, we're gonna go with a red slime. This slime is not that good, so I might mix most of it. See, look, I can't even like poke it. It doesn't make that dent. It is stretchy. It looks orange. Trust me, it's red. I'm literally telling you it's red. Okay, there. Okay. Sometimes I hate playing with that slime. Next slime. So it doesn't like really seem like a slime, but it's a slime. It's made out of like shampoo. It worked. It works. You just have to refrigerate it. If you want to play with it, you got to put it in the refrigerator first. So, yeah. I did that already. Next. Okay. You can poke it too. You could poke the one yeah. Okay. I'm not going to be taking the slimes out anymore. I'm just going to open it. I want to get this quick and over with. Okay. Alright, next. Looks like this slime is going. This one I have to mix up. Maybe I don't have to mix it up. Maybe I could just take this piece away. Yep. Boom. Okay. This is gonna be the best slime ever. This is a slime shop slime. This slime is by Iridescent Slime. So go buy their slimes because their slime is really good. My cousin has 2 slimes by them. I only have 1 because I bought from other ones. She bought from other ones. Oh my gosh, why can I not open this? I hate this putty so much. Basically, when you're done playing with it, you have to stamp it like this, and then you put the top on. So that's what the stamp looks like. And this is what the top is. Basically, I'm just gonna take a piece of this. Look, it's a real live putty. Okay. This is gonna be terrible. Okay. Gotta flatten it out and then put it in there. Okay. Next slime thing. Yeah, this one. I had some on my dressers. On my dresser. Oh my gosh. It cleared up? Cool. Alright. This one I'll take out for you guys. This one is the bomb. It wasn't always purple. I dyed it purple because I had enough clear slimes. Okay. There we go. Next one we have is this purple fluffy one. It's like such a good slime. It used to be a clear glittery glue, and then I just put shaving cream in it because I wanted a fluffy slime. Okay, it's literally, I need to like bunch it up. So like, dang it, freak. Okay, next one we have a shampoo slime as well. It's like kind of melted, but you can still poke it. It's okay. So, I literally poured it on most. Oh, okay. Next one. Yeah. Next one we have is a slime, and I think it's melted. So we're just, it's not melted, you can still play with it, but it's like really sticky. So we're just gonna pour that one out. Okay, that's enough. Yep. Only borax will activate this. And I don't have any more borax. So we got, this is literally like clear glue, and it's not a clear slime. It has like little pearls at the bottom, but I'm not putting the pearls in. So you got me messed up. I'm literally like pouring them on top of each other. Oh my gosh. So you can poke the shampoo one. Anyway, so next, I'm not sure if this one's a sticky one or not. Okay, it's not a sticky one. We're just gonna put a little bit because I have another one like this. I'm gonna put some of that into. Actually, we're just gonna put some more. I'm putting some pearls inside. This one has pearls in it as well. And I'm putting pearls inside. See? Little pearls right there. Yep. This is like super sloppy. I have to clean it up after. I'm just trying to get it over with. This one I'll take out because this one's gonna clean up my hands. Okay. This is a foam slime. So it looks like this slime is gonna be a foam slime. Look how sticky this little mixture is. Okay, there. Now I'm just stacking the slimes up on top of one. It's just the clear slime, the shampoo one, is stacked up on top of each other. And I'm just stacking up the slimes. Okay. This is the orange one, but it's really good. And I already don't have a lot, so I'm just taking a little bit out of that one. Yeah. Okay. Next, we have a sticky yellow one, so this one will drizzle out. So I'm gonna put it on top of the orange. Okay, I think I'm gonna just go ham on it. Okay, stop. No more. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah. This looks like a neonish color on camera. Okay, next slime. This one. Oh yes, this is my favorite one, kind of, because it's not sticky at all. It's the perfect slime to put inside. I just don't like playing with it. It's a little bit ugly color. Green used to be my favorite color. Now yellow's my favorite color. The one and only yellow clear slime that I have, I hate. It's not about the color, it's about the texture. If I don't like the texture, I don't like the slime. What? Oh. Okay, next one. I told you guys I had a same exact one as this one, and that's this one right here, except for this one doesn't have any pearls. So I'm just gonna take out a little tiny bit. There you go. There. I literally said I was gonna take out a tiny bit. I literally did. Now, I don't know why this one is my favorite. I think this one's my favorite because I thought it was white, but it wasn't. No, I thought it was like white at the top with all the bubbles, but it's not. So this one has a lot, so I don't care how much I put. And I think it's a clear cloud slime. Don't ask me how. I bought it. My skin looks so flawless because my skin is flawless. Okay, this is my. Sizzle. Not sure if you heard it. Oh well. Okay. Now, this one's kind of sticky a little bit, but I don't care. So, there you go. I'm just stacking it up. Just stacking it on top of the slimes. I'm not even putting it in a deformed rainbow. This is pink mystic topaz. And this one is the bomb. It's the bomb. It smells so good. First of all, it smells like bubblegum or berries. Not sure which one I ordered. that was the last one, and I'll guarantee you that was the last one. Because this is it, and this is empty, and this is dried up. But I'll put it in there. Even though this slime is completely dried up, and it was bigger, but it's not anymore, so you're gonna have to. But yeah, I gotta put them in there. Okay, now it's time to mix it up. Mix it. I'm scared that this slime is gonna become sticky, because if it does, I'm really gonna be mad. The heck? Oh, the shampoo slimes. Okay. It's so pretty on camera. It's pretty in person. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking so that you guys can hear this stuff. I knew it was gonna turn a gray. I didn't say it out loud, but I knew it was gonna turn a gray. Red slime. It's Putty is having a really hard time mixing in, like making some friends and blending in. It keeps like popping out. See, another piece of putty. Okay, I'm gonna fold it. I find the putty literally. Bro, I literally see the putty right here. Oh my gosh. This putty needs to get some help. Putty, literally right there. This putty needs to mix in and find some friends. Get it? First day school, can't find no friends. Don't want to stay. Want to get out and leave and never come back. Bro, I swear, this putty. Oh, it's not the putty this time. It's the hard piece of slime that I decided to add in. That turned purple. Oh. So it turned like a grayish brown. No, in real life it turned a nude. On camera it turned a tan. It's like a nudish tanning in person, and then in camera it's just plain tannish gray. So this was a slime smoothie. Imagine if I decided to add all of my slimes together. Literally, this slime would be so big. It would be able to fit into that giant container, probably. Because I have some big slimes that I added in here, so should have went ham on the big ones and just added a whole bunch. Maybe I should have. If I would have, I wonder what would have happened. Okay, see, this is the shampoo slime. You can like poke it, but it's just like weird. I'm gonna add the whole thing, so I can literally just make some more because I still have some of that shampoo stuff. And color's natural. I'm not sure if it looks red or not. Do I look like I cut my finger? No? Okay. Comment below if you guys think I look, if you guys didn't see me do this, Would it look like I cut the inside of my finger? Like a whole bunch of blood. Oh my! I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Wait, hold up. Does it look like I'm bleeding? No? Okay. Bro, this looks like blood. It looks like I'm mixing in blood. I mixed it in and it didn't change the color in the slightest bit. Still looks like a tannish nude. So, yeah. Like if you enjoyed me. Like this video if you enjoyed me mixing in my slime. Subscribe if you would like to see more subscribe to become of the bunny squad. And turn the post notifications on if you would like to see more content like this. And comment below what type of content you would like to see other than slime. If we can get this video to 13 likes, then I'll know that you guys like this content and I'll do more slime videos. This one is terrible. Look at it, it's the hard piece. I'm trying to take as much slime off as I can. I'm really gonna throw this away. Like, I'm throwing it away because it's like really aggravating me. Okay. So the slime is like a perfect slime. It's perfect thickness. It's runny, so I could just hold it like this and it'll just run down like that. That would have been even more satisfying if it was a cloud cream, but it's okay. But it's not. I'm really trying to get like all of this conditioner out because my slime is thirsty for conditioner. Like, it needs to wash. I mean, shampoo. It needs to wash. My slime needs to wash its hair. So like, I need as much shampoo as I can for my slime to wash her hair. See, I remember I put the pearl inside. Bless you. Here's another pearl inside. Can you tell I'm looking for something? The putty again? Oh my gosh. Bless him.
Hi, Daddy. Nothing.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Another pearl.
I don't know. No. No. It's not raining yet.
2 more pearls.
It's supposed
Right.
to. Yeah, I think so.
No, it didn't.
Oh, no. It's gonna start raining though. That's what it says on the weather.
Yeah, Saturday. What do you guys think of my tattoo? It says Fearless Queen. not queen, fearless, fearless queen. Bro, you guys, my sister said, why is he always calling me? Dad calls you to check on you and make sure you're okay. So get used to it. He's gonna do it every day. Whether it's later or early. Do it every single. I don't know why I didn't end this video yet. But, yeah. Like if you liked this video. Subscribe to become part of the Bunny Squad. And turn the post notifications on to see more of this content if you liked it. And then comment below what I should do in my next video and some video ideas. And then I want you guys to go to my Instagram and follow me. And the first 13 people to comment down below which one of the slimes they liked most, I will respond to. So, slime recap. I had Pink Topia Mystic, my favorite personally. Regular Pink Fluffy. Clear Pink Store-Bought. Clear Blue. Clear Green. Clear Yellow. Clear Orange. Clear Red. Clear with blue stars. Iridescent fishbowl bead. Clear blue with pearls. Clear with colorful pearls. Purple fluffy. Pink shampoo. Or clear glitter purple. And one last option. Well, actually two last options. You have the turquoise foam and brown clove scented putty. But if this one was your favorite, then all you have to comment down below is brown clove. And I'll know which that it was this one. And maybe, just maybe, I'll send it to you. So, yeah. Bye!